it's big for us, especially for the Final Four. But then seeing the team bounce back from the first half, I believe we lacked the energy in the first half, which the whole team towards the second half mas nagkaroon ng energy. So you just have to keep being consistent sa ganun whatever we do in the second half.
Thank you. To Francis, you had 17 points, 15 rebounds, 4 blocks, and 2 steals. So, as what coach said, you lack energy in the first half, but you guys came back to win. So, what can you say about your team's effort in the second half so you can beat Ateneo once more?
Basically, all thanks to God for the win. She earned the twice the eighth spot in the Final Four. And I'm happy about my team because we bounced back. Really lacking energy in the first. In the second, in the third and the fourth, we had our reading and started playing better, with more intensity. So big shout out to my team too.
Thank you. So lastly to Jerry, you had 80 points, 2 rebounds, 1 steal, and 1 block. So being one of the leaders of the team, anong sinabi mo sa kanila nung halftime para makahabol kayo at eventually manalo against Ateneo?
Siguro lagi lang sinasabi sa mga school na huwag na kami tumigil. Kung kaunti na kami, may mga challenges kami ng first half, hindi kami nag-start ng maayos. Yun, gumawa sila ng malaki. Ang sa isip na namin, sa team namin, is hindi na kami sa paglalaro. Kung kaunti lang, huwag na kami tumigil.
Hindi ka ng games lalo na pa-final four na kami.
Actually, siguro nagkataon lang mga games na mahirap sa akin kung sabi nila Coach Coach. Kahit mga teammates ko na mag-ready lang natin. Kasi hindi naman yun, araw-araw pwede magpapakita. May ambag ko, nagtulong na yun talaga yung gagawin sa mga.
Coach Pierce na rin.
Sometimes kasi pag may ganito klase din, parang pag may player na like yung ginawa ni Jacob sa kanya siya, kumbaga nag-start to spark ng rally, ng klase intensity. Sa akin, very valuable coaching. For me, yung dalawa, the whole game, actually, wala na first half. Binibigyan na
Kayo ng twice to beat, Lasal is trying to get a good place in the final four, what do you say?
Well, for me, like any other team, you just need to be consistent. Like right now, yun naman lagi sinasabi ko, after this game, you just have to watch and see kahit na isang game na kami sa second round, what we need to work on pa rin. Siyempre, paglasal ng kalaban, we need to prepare for them. At the same time, try to improve on more. So, ano pa yun natin doon?
Twice to beat, ano yung mindset niyo right now? Para siyempre, maganda yung buwelo niyo heading to the final four. Jelly?
Siguro sa lahat naman ng games namin, same mindset naman. Every day, kahit anong mangyari sa sitwasyon, maging ready lang kami, pangit naman yan, or maganda man yan. Ready lang kami sa kung ano may kaya namin i-respond sa game. And siguro, wala namang bago sa mindset namin papunta sa next game. Sa amin lang, gusto namin na maging consistent. Alam naman natin na yung makita nila yung comeback ng second half. Pero para sa amin yung first half talaga yung kailangan namin pag-ulit. Kailangan namin maging consistent. And yun, against Lasal siguro kailangan namin tapusin yung second half ng atis.
Being the first year player here for UP, especially now you're entering your first Final Four, what is your mindset right now, especially the games are getting tougher?
I'll tell you the same mindset coming into the season. Consistency, try to stay consistent, try to play with effort, try to play my role and accepting my role and doing what I can do to help the team win. It's really what it is.
All right, congratulations.